Good afternoon. Last class I can see about the topic basics. What is software testing and benefits and advantage and disadvantages. So we go for each one testing process. So each and every project, okay, we have following some models. So first basic model, for example, waterfall model, and second thing, iterative model, third one prototype model, and fifth one spiral model. The spiral model, you know about the spiral model. For example, basic example, you know about coil, cosmetic coil. And the same basic condition like we have using 5 elements. Okay, 5 elements means we have using requirement, design, and implementation, testing, and maintenance. The same process can be implemented at every sectors. For example, this is the iterative testing sectors. First iterative integrated testing. So once you have completed your integrated, okay. For example, all things are over. Okay, all things are over, and check your condition. We have using 2 integrated modules. First module, second module is available now. You can integrate whether the model can be worked or not. Okay, if work it, no problem. If not working now, what is the feedback? The feedback means you can ask to your customer, ask to your stakeholder. Okay, first identify integrated testing and iterative feedback and protective risk mitigation and preventive problem. The things are over. Okay, you can go into next one. It means implementation. Okay, integrated testing is over now. Second, iterative feedback. If any problem, okay, suppose checking condition. Any example you can take for Google username and password. Username is right, but password is mismatched or now. You can bring your message. Okay, this is what happened. What is the next procedure? That is the feedback. Next one, proactive risk mitigation. What is the risk? Suppose I forgot my password. What are the steps available? Another first step, you are using your mobile phone. Okay. Second, mobile you can set the OTP. Third, you are swipe your number. Well, 3 things are available in your process. Last, if suppose the same time can be identified or not, which one is a program error or user error or stakeholder error? Okay, this is the iterative test cycle in the This is recall testing process in software development. Same applicable. First one, initial planning, integration, development, iterative testing, continuous testing, final testing. This is a recall. Okay, first thing, the initial planning means what are things are needed. What are things are needed to develop one project. Even though you can start your project mechanical oriented or mechatronics oriented or any other process. Okay, you can start one of the process. Initial planning. For example, how many people are required? Okay, how many people are required? And how many softwares are required? How many hardwares are required? What is the budget? Okay, this is a category. Okay. Second, integration to development. This is a design process. For example, modify. This olden days partner we have. You know about 18 olden days TV, the big one. But nowadays, the converted to small one, easiest to carry from anybody else. So this is a integrated model of input. Okay. Next one, iterative testing means test by one. You can give a test drive. You know about test drive? By in the same you take the system. First you checking your condition of your processor and your another one your CRT monitor. You know about CRT monitor? The monitor you can insert it. You can insert it. You can check your current fluctuation whether properly working or not. Integrate over a minimum over 2 to 5 years. But old and TVS minimum 12 to 13 hours. And the TV maximum 12 to 13 hours you can check for iterative testing. But here 2 to 5 hours in the 2 to 3 hours in the test process is okay. You can go into package. Next, you are continuous testing, one by one. If any problem occur or not, you can ask the feedback and rectify your model of the system. Last one is the final deployment. Once you are over, go into package. Okay.
I'm Shivani from Mechanical, and we have to explain about the testing process. First, the requirement, whatever the product or project, we should find the requirement. Next, we should analyze the requirement. The requirement is correct or analyze whatever the product needs. The requirement should be analyzed. And third, the design. For whatever requirement we did, we analyzed and we created a design for a project or a prototype of product. And fourth is implementation. The three steps from the design, analyze, and the requirement. We should create the implementation, and next the product or process should be run at testing. After the testing, the product is working or not, we should check, and whatever if some things are not working or not, we should correct it and do a